again with a different melody. And this is the psalm that really brings it all together. It highlights the power of praising God with singing and instruments. Everything we're about. This piece of liturgy insists, if you have breath, you are part of the song. I love this psalm because it's a reminder that music belongs to all of us, whether it's jazz or Jewish music, a rare combo of the two like we have tonight, or something else. I hope you'll join me on page 188 in singing this hopefully familiar melody to most of you, and remember that Shabbat itself is improvisation. It's ancient, it's present, and it's alive. And the holiest sound we have is the one of all of our voices rising together. Page 188. Good